Kick things off with the Acer Nitro 5, the best ultra-cheap budget gaming laptop on the market in 2022. While RTX 3080 laptop offers a solid performance, they're often bulky and can get pretty hot, which is not something anyone wants. The Acer Nitro 5, on the other hand, delivers a more balanced performance. The device features the GeForce RTX 3050. Nitro 5 should offer a relatively high level of performance with reasonable energy consumption. The 15.6-inch design hasn't changed much from the previous model, and the laptop is still matte black plastic. The angular design, the red accent around the trackpad, and the red plastic inserts remain from what was once considered modern in the world of gaming laptops. The quality of workmanship is at a good level. In terms of connectivity, the device features a Kensington security slot, Gigabit Ethernet port, 2 USB Type-A ports, combined headphone and microphone port on the left, as well as one USB Type-C port, and an HDMI 2.0 output on the right. Nitro 5 does not achieve spectacular speeds in the Wi-Fi test, but it is still fast enough for all usage scenarios. The Acer Nitro 5 has a 15.6-inch screen with an original resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and a refresh rate of 144 Hz. The brightness is at a very good level compared to the competition. The device comes with 8 gigabits of DDR4 as well as 256 gigabit SSD. The device is primarily intended for gaming because it comes with a mid-range CPU and a high-quality GPU. Acer's gaming laptop can handle all modern titles at 1080p at high settings. It can even run some sports titles at 144 FPS. However, the RTX 3050 cannot achieve the frame rate for Cyberpunk 2077 with RTFX enabled. And last but not least, the Acer Nitro 5 AN5-1555 comes with 2 speakers. They don't produce much bass, but the sound is still acceptable. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed.